Hello, hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. First time in my life recording myself doing something. So in today's work I've been working on this car. It's a old Ford Ranger, and what's wrong with this car, I was taking off old transmission. It took me about a week, almost 2 weeks. Finally got the transmission out. Just want to show you how I did it. It was been pain in the ass, so let me show you. It's been a lot of work done here. So there is transmission right here, if you can see it. Yeah. So, and there was what has been sit on has been on this, connected to the engine. I try to get it out like whole piece, but I can't because of this muffler on the way, and it was be pain in the ass to get it out. Take this to take it off whole piece. So I decided that I'm just gonna unscrew this piece right here, which is I forgot how you call it, this one. It's been like right over here, and then I have to take another piece out, which is right here. This big ass wheel, it's heavy, more than transmission, and this piece right here. So this piece been inside of this, so I have to take this piece off, then unscrew this piece. Then when I get this piece off, finally I get it out, and then I've been able to take this piece out, because it won't fit anyway. I try hard to get it out, so almost have to taking apart the whole transmission. It was been pain in the ass to unscrew these bolts, which has been rusty as hell. Some of them give me pain in the ass, but I'm glad it's been a while, and lots of years. I used to do this when I was a kid, and now I just going back and gonna change this transmission. We're gonna buy a new transmission and put it back. Probably gonna have to put it back how I take it off, piece by piece. So thanks for watching, and I'm sorry I don't know how you call it, those pieces, whatever, or some of the parts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like, share. I'm gonna post some more videos in the future, and I hope have a blessed day. Have a good day. Bye guys. Peace out.